Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple spinner from home that will help your child with recognition practice. You can do this with letters or numbers, even animals or animal sounds. All you need to do is, with a marker around the edge of the plate, write the letters or numbers or other thing that you want to draw for your child to practice. Next, you'll need a fidget spinner similar to the one that I have here. Now grab a Post-it note and draw a triangle with the base starting at the sticky end of the Post-it note. Cut out your triangle and then place your triangle with the sticky end on one end of the fidget spinner. This will allow you to turn your fidget spinner into a pointer so that when your child spins it and it stops, it will point to the thing that they are supposed to name. If you find that the fidget spinner is not staying where you'd like it to, place a small piece of tape on the finger hold on the back side of the fidget spinner, and then place it on your paper plate. Now invite your child to play this new game that you've made for them. Have them spin the spinner and then name the thing it stops at. For example, H. H. If it lands on an animal, have them say the name of the animal and then ask them what sound it makes. Cat. Meow. If it lands on a number, have them say the name of the number and then count from 1 up to that number. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have fun, everyone!